Chadwellite. I'm the subject leader for computing, and that means I manage everything in the Department of Computer Science, from cybersecurity to computer games, and everything that involves computational technology. There's a number of reasons why you might want to pick Wrexham as a place to study. The first reason is that we are extremely community focused, which means we spend a lot of time and attention on you. You have a very strong voice. You, in fact, help us make decisions and plan our strategic activities going forward. We also have a number of initiatives that will help you in your studies with us. So, for example, we have an integrated mentoring program, which means that we have master's degree students who will mentor you as part of your undergraduate studies.
Hi, my name's Jack Harker and I am the Programme Leader for Computer Game Development, Computer Game Design Enterprise and Game Art. So we have a variety of industry events throughout the year. We have Global Game Jam, which we're one of the global HQs for and the regional organiser for that. We also have Level Up Conference and Level Up Expo, which are two events that we run throughout the year, where we have industry talks, we have projects showcased, and we get to do all kinds of industry networking and links.
So my name is Terry Birch and I'm a lecturer in computer science, and I teach a variety of different subjects. I teach web dev, programming, hardware and software, and I've also started to branch out into a little bit of cyber as well. So some of the reasons that students would like to study here at Wrexham University is that our courses here provide them with hands-on interactive practical sessions. They get to do hands-on labs and coding within their sessions, taking some computers apart, which is always good fun.
So across the Department of Computing we have a wide range of postgraduate study options. Now, master's degrees are hugely important because they help you raise your skills to another level of professionalism. And this is extremely important to you as you further your career and apply for jobs in leadership positions that you may not have been able to access previously.
Hi, I'm Matt. I'm one of the lecturers in computer science here at Wrexham. I teach mainly programming, machine learning, AI, any sort of practical, quite a lot of the practical topics. So we have a variety of courses with many different elements on them, wide ranging from things like machine learning, AI, which is obviously massively prevalent nowadays. The last couple of years, obviously, it's gone huge worldwide. On the job side, we've got a lot of people going on to do mid-level programming, machine learning, a couple of the AI programming jobs out there. Software engineering is a big, software development are the big ones that are sort of coming forward in the next couple of years for us. And then we've also got people going into sort of business management and things like that, because you get all of the team building and sort of project management skills. So some of the softer skills that aren't tech related necessarily, but those help in the wider job market.